We are working with customers that didn't have a clue how to solve um, the problems that they're addressing, and we resolve them for them. It's almost like a coaching job most of the time, coaching internally and coaching externally. So I mean, Jason quite often coaches me through an issue, and I get to the answer that he wanted me to, and it's the right one. Um, and I do that with customers, and Adam does that with customers, and we all do it amongst ourselves. I've had conversations with Sean in the past. He says, "Really, would you do it that way? Have you thought of doing this?" And it happens.
Our ability to say no to each other or go and think again, that can be very powerful. And in that scenario, maybe the first proposal, let's say, is not quite right. But having this possibility to tell each other, no, I don't think so, and think again, try to find another way, is actually quite powerful.